is Lathica. I completed my bachelor's degree in computer science. I also completed an advanced data science and generative AI course at Qtree Technologies. During my training, I gained a hands-on experience in Python, NumPy, Pandas, SQL, machine learning, and AI concepts. As a part of this training, I developed a major project called AI Video Search Engine. The aim of my project is to save the user's time while searching for a specific scene inside a video. Normally, if a video is 1 or 2 hours, users have to watch the whole video to find a particular scene. My project solves the problem by using users to search the video using a sample text. Now let me explain the system. So here I used the front-end system using Streamlit. So now let's get into my project. This is the interface of my project. The user can upload the video from their device. Required format for this project is MP4 within the size of 200 MB. After the video application, you will get the video upload successful message after once you upload the video. To visualize my UI, I use Streamlit. The audio speech from the video will be converted into text format. User can able to transmit the text from the video using Whisper AI. The frames from the video will be generated using clips. We cannot directly import clips, so I used PyTorch for this. So PyTorch is the deep learning model where I used to store the clip, and the clip is ready to generate the embedding code for both image and text model. If you're searching for a particular frame from the video, this search query is very helpful. For example, I entered machine learning. So this machine learning word will be converted into a embedding word format. Then FAISS will track for the matching embedding code in image in the clip model. So the FAISS will bring the matching. If both the text embedding and the image embedding are matched, the best three of it will display as an output for us. So the overall payoff of my project is fast video search, AI-based cinematic search, user-friendly interface, useful for students, researchers, and content creators. The conclusion of my project combines with Whisper, Clip, OpenCV, FAISS to build video search engine. Allow users to find relevant scene quickly without watching the entire video. Finally, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Qtree Technologies and my trainer Swarnapreeta ma'am for their valuable guidance and continuous support through this course. This training has been a wonderful learning experience for me. I learned Python, SQL, data science, statistics, machine learning, data visualization, NLP, generative AI, prompt engineering, and project development. My trainer explained every concept clearly and encouraged me throughout the learning process, which helped me to build confidence in my skills. I am truly thankful to Qtree Technologies and my trainer Swarnapreeta ma'am for providing this wonderful opportunity and helping me to prepare for my career. Once again, thank you to all. Thank you.